finish. Comedians are hypocrite. After I don't carry guests put for hotel finish, you can't say they play gospel song. Did you call the play? I will pray, I will pray. If I don't pray, Satan will be. And you lost Satan for hotel. Before you call, you don't sleep with Satan. They shout out, oh, my money get value. Dynasty. Money get power. As Seriki see pounds, he leave dollars. But pounds and dollar no be made now. That's why for school, if your pikin be dollar, they will pounds on her. Hold on, that's how they drop out of small. This country, everything for this country just spoil. Anything we don't concern sex for this country, I know the value and sex, doggy, everything. Now that the value, sex, social media, everything does spoil this country. This country don't go. Things they spoil for this country, nobody they talk. As I speak to you now, the price of Panadol, they give person headache. Things for this country don't spoil. Even condom will be 200 before. Condom is now 2,500. Casino, let tell me. Condom now 2,500. Condom don't cost. We cannot even protect ourselves anymore. The price to treat protection can't cost fast food they give the infection. What is the total amount to carry girl for total? Oh no, now 2,300 don't carry girl for total. Before you know you buy Edopikin, you don't come out. That day I buy the condom, they tell me say 2,500. I first come out, but I still come back and buy them because I was under duress. You know, hold on now. You know, as I say use the condom finish, the condom still here. Because normally I'll be rough rider. Oh, now at the side of my nose, always so.